ब्रह्मर्षि पत्री जी, स्वर्णमाला माता, परिपत्री जी, सारिका जी, सागर सर, उपस्थित सभी, आई एम सो ब्लेस्ड, आई एम सो हैप्पी. I don't find any words to describe. This book, I feel, is a Gita for every meditator. I feel it's a Gita for every meditator because the channeling messages that C. Arunaji has received through her meditation from 40 masters is really, really, if we follow in our daily life, is definitely will change our life. So, thank you, universe. Thank you. Thank you for bringing me to this platform, getting me connected to Patriji. I will call you Baba. Baba, I love you. I love you, Ma. I love you. I love you all. I thank the universe. I really don't find any words. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I will request all the Odia meditators to read this book of messages from 40 master in Odia. It is 40 गुरुंका वार्ता जहाँ आम जीवन रे जदि आमे रूपांतरित करिबा आम जीवन प्रकृत रे दिव्यतर भरी जीव. If we will follow this in our life, we will really feel that we are divine souls and will not confine ourselves and consider ourselves as a body only. Thank you.
Another spiritual book. I request Patri madam to inaugurate, to release this book. ಶಂಕರಯ್ಯ గారు రచించిన ఆధ్యాత్మిక శాస్త్రం.
ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ತೆಲುಗು ಒಂದು ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆಯಾಗಲಿದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೋರುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳು ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಭ್ಯವಿದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕೋರುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಎಂಬ ತೆಲುಗು ಪುಸ್ತಕ